Hey, what's up, my friend? So in today's episode, right, you will discover the truth, right, about trading most gurus don't want you to know about because it's bad for business, right? So let me share with you a few truths about trading that you might not be aware of. Number one, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a get-rich-slow scheme. Let me repeat, right? Trading is a get-rich-slow scheme. And why do I say that? Because if you understand, right, the teachings from some of the smartest, the richest people in this world, like for example, Warren Buffett. Here's what he said, right? He said, "My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest." What's he trying to say? He said, yes, he's lucky to be born in America and in this day and age, but compound interest, right, plays a huge part, right, to where he is right now. Because his returns has compound over over the last 50 years at 20% a year. That's where he made his billions, by compounding. Or how about Albert Einstein? He said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. One of the smartest guy in the world, again, talking about compound interest. And the thing about compound interest is it takes time. You can't compound your returns right over a week, over a month. It will be nothing significant. But when you compound it over years, over decades, that is where the magic happens. So that's a fundamental truth about trading, that it's a get-rich-slow scheme. If you want to make serious money in trading, it's a get-rich-slow scheme. If you're looking at this as a get-rich-quick scheme, then guess what? You are the scheme. Okay, so that's the first truth. Second one, in trading, you need money to make money in trading. You can't, expect to make money or serious money with $1,000 account or $5,000 account. Yes, you could, double it, triple it, but there's a huge risk you're going to lose everything and more. And again, this kind of brings you back earlier to compound interest. When you compound your account, that's where your money gets larger and larger. Let's say you do 20% a year on $1,000 account, that's like $200. But if you have a million account, that 20% is now worth 200,000. And when you keep compounding your returns, right, your trading account gets larger and larger, and that's where your returns gets larger and larger. And this is why the second point I say is that you need money to make money in trading. Okay, there is no shortcuts, there is no special leverage, 1 to 500, 1 to 1,000, right, where you can make, huge amount of money quickly. Yes, you can, but you will have a high risk of losing it all as well. Number 3, right? Even if you've made it as a profitable trader, you are still working on your game consistently. I can guarantee this to you, right? The best traders out there, or rather traders who are consistently profitable, they are not satisfied with the status quo. They won't just, remain stagnant the way it is. They are always constantly researching, right? Refining their edge, learning new trading strategies that they can adopt, right? To complement their existing strategies. They are always constantly trying to, improve their mental strength to trade a larger account. All this are all going on behind the scenes. And there is always work to do, even though you're already a consistently profitable trader, right? You won't just, let's go by the beach, let's sip some pina colada, right? Let's, go, surfing, let's trade by the laptop, by the pool, life is good. No, that's really not how professional traders do it. If you're serious in this business, right, the learning continues, the research continues. Yes, you have time to relax, to enjoy, right? But you're still in this trading business, right? Your heart and soul is still 100% in it, right? There is no, I've made it, let me go and enjoy, and trading is just a passive thing now. It's a passive income. There's nothing passive about trading. It's very active. Not physically where you're lifting weights and stuff like that, but in terms of the mindset, it's very active. And number 4, in trading, right, whether it's stock trading, forex trading, options trading, futures trading, there is no guarantee in trading. No one can guarantee that you will be a profitable trader after 1 year. No one can guarantee that after taking XYZ course you can make money within the next 6 months. No one. Absolutely no one. No matter how good the track record is. Let me share with you an example, right? Back in my prop trading days, I would say this is about the 2007, 2008 era. Most of the prop traders back there in my industry, they were trading the Nikkei futures. And Nikkei futures is traded across 4 different exchanges. Singapore Exchange, and the Osaka Exchange, and even on the CME, right? And there is arbitraging opportunities, because when there are 4 different contracts being traded, right, their value must be the same, right? If not, there is opportunity to arbitrage. And in those days and age, right, the algo isn't as fast back then. So human can pretty much, arbitrage the Nikkei contract. They can buy low, sell high, and make, 6 figure, 7 figures a year. And many of them think that, this would go on forever, and they spend money like, drinking water, right? They can just go out to a bar for one night, 5 figures bill, that's it at the bar. And next day they go back to trade, because where we were at, right, the trading arcade below is just a slew of bars all over there. And here's the thing, right? After 1 or 2 years, this age slowly got eroded by trading algos, the high frequency traders. This age is no more, meaning the inefficiencies in the K market started to deteriorate. And today, if you ask me, right, those traders that used to make 6 figures, 7 figures, 99% of them, they are no longer around. Some of them are driving cab, some of them have either trade a different methodology or move on altogether, right? So there's really no guarantee in trading. No matter how much money you have made, how confident you think you are, there's no guarantee, right? And that's the truth about it. You have to constantly work at your game to adapt to the times, improve your trading, learn new trading methodologies, strategies and techniques, right? So that this way, when one strategy stop working for a period of time, you have something else to complement, right, your portfolio, right? So this way, you don't just rely on one strategy, but you have multiple strategies, right, that you can trade at any one time, and that improves your equity curve. It smoothen it out over the long run. And finally, right, the last thing that I want to talk about is that how do you actually quicken this process? How do you quickly go from, break-even or losing trader to becoming a profitable trader? Okay, so here's the truth. The truth is, there's no shortcut, right? But there are a few things that you can do. Number one, embrace compounding. This is something that many retail traders just don't believe in. They just want it fast. They want it by this weekend, this month, over the next 3 months. They want results, pop, just like that. But guess what? If you want fast results, you'll probably get no results. Embrace compounding, right? Some of the smartest people in the world, the richest one, they tell you already, the secret is compound interest. Embrace it. If you want something fast, if you are, wanting to have instant gratification, then really, trading is probably the wrong endeavor. It's definitely the wrong endeavor for you, right? So embrace compound interest. Embrace compounding. And compounding doesn't mean just in terms of money. It could be compounding in terms of your fitness. It could be compounding in terms of gaining new knowledge. Imagine if you just know, you gain 1% new knowledge each day. At the end of the year, how much would you have learned? If you just do 10 push-ups a day, at the end of the year, how many push-ups would you have done? How much different your body would make? So compounding is not just about money. It's about everything around you, right? Your work attitude, your mindset, your fitness, everything. Second thing you can do is add funds regularly to your trading account. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, the more money you manage, the more money you trade, the more money you can make. So, if you are working at a full-time job, you have certain savings, right? And you're confident of your trading ability, add funds to your trading account over time. Maybe every once a year, twice a year, whenever you deem fit, right? If you add funds to your account regularly over time, you can, trade more money and make more money. And finally, the last thing is this one here. Don't reinvent the wheel, especially when you are new to trading, especially when you don't have an edge yet, right? Just follow what's been proven already from, practitioners, from people who have, done academic research. Like, for example, stock trading, right? Momentum is a phenomenon that clearly works in the stock markets. Why do you want to fight against it? Just follow it. Trade with momentum. Okay? And trend following, right? It is proven to work, right? Riding trends across the different markets, whether it's Forex, futures, etc. It's proven to work. Learn it. Don't reinvent the wheel. Once you have consistent profitability, once you have reached competency, then yes, you can start tweaking and reinventing the wheel. But when you are still at the start, right, take something that's already proven to work and get to that stage, make it work for yourself. From then on, then you can tweak and improve on things. But don't try to reinvent the wheel from the start. It will only hamper your own learning curve. It will only, take you longer, right, to get the results that you want. Okay, so with that said, I hope, you got value out of it. I wish you good luck and good trading. I will talk to you soon.